signs, all you need to do is over on the side, on the left side, you can see elements, there's text. There may not be a lot of other things that you're going to need other than those two are your main go-tos. So I already showed you in another video. If you haven't seen that one already, go take a look at that from your PDF download, how to add a QR file or a QR code. But here, I'm going to show you how to change your text. And then also, if you don't like the graduation hat, you can change the colors of that. You can get rid of it altogether or add a different image if you want. It's totally up to you. So what you can do is you click on, we'll start with the hat. If you click on that, you can change the colors of the hat in however, whatever colors you want that might match your school or college or whatever. And you can change, you can change the color of the hat. It can be whatever you want, okay? So that's how you do that. If you want to pick a different image, you go over to Elements. You can put in graduation, and all kinds of different things will come up. Now, you have to remember that if you are using a free account, what you might want to do is go over and use the free, because if there's a pro version, if there's a little crown, that means it's for the paid version of Canva, and you will get charged extra for that. So you want to make sure that you aren't using something that is a pro version image. So we're going to go with just the free ones, and you can go ahead and click on whatever image works for you is great. Okay, so that's how you can change that. If you are looking to change or edit the text, what you can do with that is you can go over here, you click on the text, you can change the font. Now, once again, if you are seeing a little crown there, that means it's for the paid version of Canva. And if you want the free version, the easiest way to do that is to just go up, look for free, apply it, and then all the free versions of text come up. Okay, everything on the signs for the text is a free text already. So you don't have to worry about being charged for the text or the fonts. Although from time to time, Canva will change a free font to a paid font without any kind of warning. So if you want to go up and change the color, what you can do is just come on up to this little A with the colors on it. And you can go ahead, you can change your fonts to whatever color you want. If you want to change the size, you kind of can come up here. You can click on the plus, you can click on the minus, and change the size. If you want to change where it's at, you can just slide it around and find a spot that you want to put it. And it's the same for all of them. Okay, so there you go. That is how you work your editing your sign. Everything is on the left side. When you are done editing, what you do is you go up to share and you hit download. You can choose a PNG, a JPEG, you can get a printed PDF. That's a higher quality of print. And all you do then is you put that in there and you click download. It'll download your files for you, and then you can print them at home, or you can take them to a print shop and get them printed.